An absolute must-do when you're in Copenhagen is to try these wonderful little baked pastries. And a really, really fun activity that you can do with your groups actually is learning how to make all sorts of pastries and baked goods. Hello everyone, and as I am here with Rune, we seem to keep meeting over food, and I'm constantly eating all the time. A good habit, obviously. But Rune, so nice to see you again. We are
Likewise.
in one of your newest ventures now.
Yes.
Yeah. And it's got to do with, of course, food, and really getting into the experience of enjoying food, making food, and bringing a community together, just like Restaurant Lola.
Exactly, yeah.
So tell us a little bit more about this magical place and this new venture.
We are at Hahnemanns in Østerbro. It's a climate neighborhood, so all the greens you see outside is made for both to be beautiful and for people to enjoy, but also has a purpose of being able to drain the city for water. We're doing organic, sustainable. We want to both feed people, but we also want to teach people. So we want to teach them about like how to cook, kind of how to interact with your food.
Oh,
like
okay.
Where's your food coming from? How's it sourced?
Yeah.
Like also who made it, and can you yourself grow some knowledge of how to make food? We have cooking classes in pastries. We do the whole savory line, like it's very veggie forward.
Okay.
But we are so lucky that we have so many talented colleagues from all over the world, so we can do classes from everything from Danish smørrebrød to Indian food to Mexican food, like the whole palette there. Yeah.
It's quite a large space, you know. Behind me is all the kitchens. Over here. You can see them doing what they do best at the back, and downstairs is a huge event space. Slash kitchen space, baking space, however you want to use the space, and that's where the magic happens.
So you can go there, you can have cooking classes, you can sit there for a meeting, you can sit there for a dinner, you can use that space and it can be utilized in a lot of ways. It can sit up to 110 people. We have a smaller room in the back as well that sits 25 people.
Yeah. Well, I'm actually super excited to try to get my head around making one of these. So that's what I'm definitely looking forward to. And I always feel like when you are in Copenhagen, this is such a unique and authentic thing to be able to do, because it is part of the local culture.
Very much.
You know, when you come visit the city, people love a good Danish pastry. All right, well then let's go and discover more. And now I get to try my hand at making my own cardamom bun.
Yes.
And Megan's going to show me how, or she's going to attempt. Yes. Well, I'm going to attempt. So let's see how this goes.
You're like a pro.
Yeah. Therapeutic. Very therapeutic. How many of these do you plan to bake a day?
On the weekends, it can be like 300.
Oh, wow. Not as easy as she made it look.
Yeah.
Pull it over the left side.
Yeah. And they turned out perfect. No, don't look behind me.